Hello kids, welcome to our online classes children. How are you children? I hope all are fine by the grace of God. Children, today I am going to explain. Open your page number 87 children, all of you in EVS. Open your page number 87. See, let's celebrate festivals. What is this children? Lesson number 11. Let's celebrate festival. Festivals. Do you know children what is the meaning of festivals? See, family celebration, religious festival, national festivals children. Children, we have two types of festivals. Do you know children? We have two types of festivals in our country. What are the two types of festivals? National festivals and religious festival. We celebrate festivals with fun, joy and togetherness. We wear new clothes and greet one another. We go to our places of worship children to thank God. No. Our festival days special meals are cooked in our homes. We come close to people who follow different religions children. When we celebrate our special festivals, with them sweet and gifts are distributed to our near and dear ones children. Now on your page number 88 all of you, come on, we'll go to read children now. See, what is this? Family festival, family celebration. No children? Now read children. We celebrate birthdays, weddings and festivals. What we celebrate children? We celebrate birthdays. No children? Do you know birthday? Wedding. Wedding means marriages and festivals. We have lots of fun on these days. We have lots of fun on these days. Now birthday children. A birthday is a very special day. We celebrate it with our family and friends. We eat some tasty things on this day. We play games, sing and dance. No children? Do you celebrate your birthday in your homes? Yes. You invite your friends? No children? Now wedding children. Wedding means marriage. You know no? Wedding. See, a wedding is also very special day. No? We invite our friends and relatives. No children? We invite our friends and relatives. There is a singing and dancing children. No? A big party is organized. Have you attended wedding? Have you attended a wedding children anytime? How do you feel? How do you feel children? You feel very happy, no? In festivals, in marriages, no children. Now religious festival. Children, we have three religious festivals. No, national festivals. No children, do you know what is that? We celebrate three national festivals. Some festivals are special for the whole country. Do you know children? Whole country will celebrate. These are called national festivals children. In India, we celebrate three national festivals. Do you know what are they? Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti children. See here, festival brings joy and happiness. Enjoy special food on festival days. No? Now Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. Diwali is the festival of lights. People light candles and diyas. They decorate their houses. They exchange sweets and gifts with their friends. Children, they let out the crackers also children. No? Now Eid. Who celebrate Eid children? Muslims, no? Eid is the festival of Muslim. It comes after 30 days of fasting. In whole month they'll fast, no children. People wear new clothes and go to Eidgah to offer prayers. Namaz. Prayers means namaz. Children get gifts from the elders. People greet each other saying Eid Mubarak. Muslim make or eat sweet dish called Seviyan on this day. Children, Eid is the most important festival of Muslims, children. No, Eid is the most important festival of Muslims. On the day of Eid, people wear new clothes and go to mosque to offer namaz. No, children. They greet each other saying Eid Mubarak. On this day, they prepared a special sweet dish called, what is it, children? Seviyan. Okay, children. Who celebrate Ramzan? Muslim people. Who celebrates Diwali? Hindus. Now, Christmas, children. Christmas is an important festival of Christians. It is celebrated on 25th December every year. On this day, Christians decorate their houses with the small Christmas tree, children. They go to churches at midnight or in the morning to offer prayers. Okay, children. See, yes, Christmas. See, they're decorating tree, children, small tree. Christmas is the festival of Christian. It is celebrated on 25th December. Every year it will come on 25th December, children. People decorate their houses with a colorful Christmas tree. They go to church to offer special prayers at midnight. Children wait for Santa Claus, who brings them gifts, children. Santa Claus gives gifts. So they waited. Okay, children. Here Guru Pranab. What is this, children? The Sikhs celebrate the birthday of their 10 gurus as Guru Parva. Guru Parva, children. What is the birthday of Guru Nanak, children? They celebrate the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev. See here, Guru Parva is the festival of Sikh. It is the birthday of 10 Sikh gurus. People decorate their houses with the lights. They eat food from a common kitchen called langar. National festivals. We celebrate 3 national festivals. I already explained, children. We celebrate 3 national festivals. They are Independence Day, the Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day. We celebrate the Independence Day on 15th August. In every year, 15th August, we celebrate Independence Day, children. Open your page number 19 now. The Prime Minister of India hoisted the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. We remember our freedom fighters on this day, Republic Day. We celebrate the Republic Day on 26th January. There is a big parade on the day in New Delhi. The President of India takes the salute of the soldiers. The Independence Day. See, children, what is this? National flag. How many colors are there in national flag? 3 colors. No? The Republic Day. Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Whose birthday, children? Mahatma Gandhi. He was a great leader. Who is he, children? He is a great leader. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader, children. He led our freedom fighter, children. See, he led our freedom movement. He is called the father of the nation. He is called the father of the nation. We also call him Bapu. Okay, children. See here, take the correct answer, children. We celebrate the Independence Day on 15th August. We celebrate the Republic Day on 26th January. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Okay, children. Thank you.